Thinking about getting that flawless bronzed glow without stepping into the sun? Zeria Tanning Drops have been going viral lately, popping up on influencer pages and promising an effortless, streak-free tan just by mixing a few drops into your daily moisturizer. But before you jump on the bandwagon, there are several things you should seriously consider. At first glance, the product seems like a dream come true, but once you start looking beyond the surface, the cracks begin to show. The drops are mostly hyped up through influencer partnerships that seem more focused on driving sales than sharing honest experiences. Many of the reviews appear scripted or suspiciously perfect, and when we tried verifying some of the testimonials featured on their official website, they didn't check out. What's even more concerning is the complete lack of third-party lab testing or safety certifications. For a product that's applied directly to the skin, this raises a lot of questions, especially if you have sensitive skin, allergies, or existing conditions. Some users have reported breakouts, patchiness, and uneven results, which directly contradict the brand's claim of a flawless finish. The ingredient list is vague and lacks proper transparency, with no detailed breakdown of what's actually inside or how those ingredients interact with different skin types. And let's not ignore their aggressive marketing tactics, constant countdown timers, limited supply warnings, and pressure-driven ads that push you to buy immediately without giving you time to think. This kind of urgency often signals a product relying more on hype than quality. Overall, Zeria Tanning Drops may offer a temporary glow for some, but with so many red flags like unverifiable reviews, lack of testing, unclear ingredients, and possible side effects, it's hard to say whether it's a trustworthy option or just another flashy scam in the beauty market.